you get the light on to change your filter, this is how you change it, okay? You see that right there, that's locked. And right there, that's unlocked. All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise. Very easy, and you take it out. And this is the filter, the water filter. Okay, it takes about 300 gallons in 6 months, or 6 months. To put it back, it's the same way. Put it in there, and turn it clockwise, and you are done. Okay, thanks. And now I'm going to show you how to reset your water filter outside. Thanks. Now that I've changed the, I've changed the water filter already, so I'm going to show you how to turn this off. Okay, this lighting right here. If you look close right here, it says water filter reset. What you need to do is hold it there for 3 seconds. And that's the alarm. I just turned the alarm off. See? And now it's go off. Okay? That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.